In this section, we will speak about the attributes and help sections within the input page component. Attributes can be found within the page component window for various components. In the upcoming activity, we will be looking at attributes within an input component. Clicking on the plus new attribute button will open the attribute window where the key for the attribute and value for the attribute will be entered to create the new attribute. This is a list of the input component attributes that currently exist within BoomiFlow. In the activity that follows, we'll be taking a look at using an attribute of the key mask to create a phone number input component. The help section within a page component, such as the input component, allows you to create a value to help the user. In the upcoming activity, you will learn how to create a help value for the email input component you are about to create. Entering text within the upper text box will appear in the input component in your app, and text entered in the lower text box will appear below the input component in your app.